Don't forget to go down in the description below to check out all the discounts and reductions and special offers available for different softwares. Thank you. In this basic tutorial of DXO Photolab 8, I'm going to show you how to change exposure and what happens when you change exposure. For instance, in this image, I have this color checker. I'm going to zoom in as much as I can, probably as closer to something in this direction. And then when I'm going to turn on exposure on the right hand side, then I have the correction manual. Then you have the preset of highlight priority to protect the highlight as much as you can. Highlight priority medium, highlight priority strong. So basically it's trying to reduce the highlight exposure as much as possible in order to protect the highlight or recover the highlight. And then center weighted average is kind of well distributed, or manual. So manual, you can go all the way up or all the way down. And more you go down, it gets darker or brighter. You shouldn't abuse it, obviously. You should use it with moderation. And then if that's not the case, for instance, that you don't want to use the exposure, you can actually go all the way down to the curve, tone curve, and then go up the top part or go down in order to manipulate your exposure. So I hope that gave you a little bit of idea about how you can control and manipulate your exposure in DXO Photolab. Take care of yourself and bye-bye. If this video is very helpful to you until this point, then I highly appreciate your help. If you go down into description below and click in the links necessary in order to chip in some money for coffee so that I can make more videos for you and for myself as well. And thank you for watching this video.